Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 10222 Reba. They're doing a home inspection on this because they're having a sale. I got my camera in a stack in the basement here. I had it past this spot just a minute ago. There's a bunch of roots right here. It's right before it meets the main. We're here about 78 feet. Looks like there's a big ball of roots in here. Let's see. Big ball of roots in there. It's holding a little water, does drain off. So let's pull it back, show you what this looks like. Got a little bit of roots there. I think I'm going to have to auger this line out and clean it out real good. There is no yard trap or yard clean out or anything like that, so we're going to have to run probably from the roof because of this cap's pointing towards the wall here. I got enough room to work my camera through, but I don't have enough room probably to run my cable. So probably jump on the roof and run that out. We'll run a 3-inch cutter too. That's all we can run this 4-inch pipe. So here we are. We have a little another amount of roots there building up. Got some more roots there on the side. Roots there growing on the sides. Thought that's a crack, but I believe that's just a root growing in. Roots growing on the sides. A little bit of roots coming in there at the side. There. See right here we got a bunch of buildup and some roots thrown in right there. Also pretty thick. Here we are at the transition. This is where it comes a 4-inch cast out in the yard, a 6-inch clay pipe. So here it looks like a small little piece of root, nothing too bad. Small little bit of rootage. Go ahead and pull this back. We got some scaling going on in the cast iron, which is average. Haven't seen anything too bad though. And here we are at the bottom of the suite, the stack. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna jump up there. Run some cable through this line, see if we can clean those roots out the best we can. Since there's no yard clean out to run a big 4-inch cutter or 5-inch cutter, we're gonna have to go in with a 3 for this 4-inch. So and see if we can cut them things out. Well, I'll be right back. All right, so I went ahead and augered this line out from the roof. I ran 120 feet from the roof with a 3-inch cutter. We're going to go ahead, run through this stack again down here in the basement and show you what it looks like. Be right back. Alright, so we got our camera ran out to MSD's line here. It's about 86 feet, 87 feet. Go ahead and pull it back. A little bit of roots there. It still got a little bit of roots cut on the side on here, but like I said, I was able to cut a majority of them out. So there's still some hanging in there. Probably the only cutter I get in there is a 3-inch cutter. So, but a little bit of roots left right there. See if we can cut through them. It is open. It is draining. Debris here left over from the cabling it, but nothing too bad. There's a small amount of roots there. Another little bit of roots there. Like I said, I was able to cut through them with 3-inch. But it is open and it is draining pretty good. Small amount of roots there. There's a small amount growing in there. Here we are at the transition when it comes to 4-inch cast and a 6-inch clay. So it all looks pretty good. It is open, it is draining. We were able to cut the roots back a bit. Should be good to go. Here we are to stack, so that's what we got. All right, thank you.